Hi everyone, my name is Oleksandr. I'm the CEO of CloEE. We made an AI digital advisor to address one of the major problems of manufacturers globally, the losses of millions of euros due to the inefficiency, failed KPIs, wasted labor hours, and the rejections in the manufacturing world. We found out during the last 10 years of our experience working with several hundred manufacturers that there are two most important scenarios in this sector. The first scenario, companies already have legacy systems that enables to control the performance of the equipment and collect the data and even plan it. The problem is that this software is so big and hard to use that only few people understand how it works, which quite constantly leads to the rejections or, for example, failures, because those people are leaving the companies or they are very skilled and their labor cost that much high to manually search for the certain partners if you have rejections. For example, one of our customers losing more than 10 million euro due to the rejections, and their software not able to benchmark the current cycles with the previous cycles. And according to the general site manager, it's like manual searching for the needle in the haystack. At the same time, applying the artificial intelligence allows to speed up the analysis of the root cause problems to from seconds to minutes of time. The second scenario for the average manufacturer is that you have 20 to 50 industrial machines, but you don't use any software that tracks the real-time performance of those equipment. And still you have also those millions of losses because the machines are not properly performing. You have downtimes that could be up to 40% of your machining time. You have rejections, and you have other failed KPIs. And you would love to analyze and get insights, but the lack of the right software in the market didn't allow you to do that. So at CloEE, we solved that problem, and we developed AI Digital Advisor that very quickly connect to the factory shop floor, extract the data, structure it properly so AI can use it, and analyze it in seconds to minutes of time. Let's look at one of our customers, Mogar, based in Turin, Italy. They produce plastic parts and supply those parts to companies like Fiat, Stellantis, and BMW. So they are a well-known company with more than 30 years of experience utilizing injection molding machines. We are working with the head of production, and we have deployed CloEE AI Digital Advisor that able to constantly run the performance of the machines, analyze it, and provide the insights about the performance, how many parts have been produced, downtime reasons, emergency logs, as well as benchmark when you have an optimal performance. And all of this done in seconds of time from any kind of device at your shop floor level. So not only head of the production can use our software, but also operators that will get the guidance what to do the best, as well as the owners and the C-level management of the company. If you're interested in more, please contact CloEE using the social media, our webpage, cloeei.com, or reach out to me, Oleksandr@cloee.co. Thank you.